I'll figure out the Roman number 1. See, the Roman number 2, what is given? Same. This is same for all Romans. What? A, B, C are in AP. Now we will prove B plus C अरे यार इसको क्या हो गया? Wait for a minute. Okay, start. See. Okay, see. Given AB share in AP, B plus C, C plus A, A plus B. These are in AP. We have to prove it. Now, two methods. First, I will do in actual formula. What is the formula of arithmetic progression? That method, and to add subtraction and addition like that method. See, these are in AP. In AP, so what? B minus A is equal to C minus B, because T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. This will be the equation. Now these are the terms 1, 2, 3. We have to prove that these 3 terms are in AP. Okay, see. Now C plus A minus B plus C. See what will come. C plus A minus B minus plus minus C. Anything will cancel? Yeah. C plus C minus will cancel. Remaining what? A minus B. Okay. See, this is the equation. Can we derive this? Take minus common. Minus, if we will take common, what? A minus B is equal to same minus B minus C. Minus minus cancel. So the term will be A minus B is equal to B minus C. Because we have to find this term equal. B minus is equal to minus taken A minus B, B minus A. This also is equal to this. So what is the term? A minus, but had B minus A. This is the derived formula of this equation. Okay. Now see, T2 minus T1. Now A plus B minus C plus A. A plus B minus C minus plus minus A. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. That is what? B minus C. But B minus is equal to what? A minus B. Listen, this is equation 1. So from equation 1, what? B minus A is equal to A minus B. Okay. Now listen. C plus A, C plus A minus B plus C. A minus B. A plus B minus C plus A. A minus B. Therefore, C plus A minus B plus C is equal to what? A plus B minus C minus A. Therefore, B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP. Okay, because this is what? T2. This is T1. This is T3. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Okay. If you want, then write here this next step. माने आओ ये लाइन भीतर गोटे लिख दबो to prove B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP. We have to show that what? C plus A minus B plus C is equal to A plus B minus C plus A. Now start after this. Okay, first find this equation, then write this step, then C plus A minus B plus C, A minus B, B minus C, B minus C equal to A minus B y from equation, then proof. Okay, simple. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. Write it down. Lecture लग रहे. See, there is an alternative method of this question. What? A, B, C are in AP. We have to prove this AP. I have told you, if any same number to divide or subtract or addition or subtraction, whatever may be, the same process will continue if the three terms, then the new numbers obtained, that is also in AP series. Okay, now listen. Given A, B, C are in AP, if A plus B plus C will subtract from each term of A, B, C, then माने ये जो A plus B plus C, A रू माइनस करो, B रू माइनस करो और C रू भी माइनस करो. That means A minus A plus B plus C, B minus A plus B plus C, C minus A plus B plus C are also in AP. Okay, see, I have told you, if same number is subtract from each term, the new numbers are in also in AP series. Now minus A minus A minus A minus B minus C, B minus A minus B minus C, C minus A minus B minus C are also in AB. So cancel. What are the numbers? Minus B minus C minus A minus C minus A minus B are in AP. Take minus common. B plus C, A plus C, A plus B are in AP. बुझिपार ना देख माइनस कले सब कटला माइनस प्लस माइनस 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 प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस सब माइनस रहा देन इट विल बी कैंसल माइनस पी माइनस सी माइनस ए माइनस सी माइनस ए माइनस बी. नाउ टेक माइनस कॉमन. दिस फिल द टर्म्स फ्रॉम ईच टर्म. दिस इज T1 T2 T3 like this. Minus will be cancelled. Then what? B plus C. A plus C means what? Sorry. C C plus A. Same, A plus B means what? Whatever may be, A plus B are also in AP. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ନା? बट आम टिके मन रखा पड़ो जे जदि एमती अच्छी देन आम A minus simply this is addition, these are in addition, so we will add previous question that are in divisible, that's why we divide. Okay, which will be easy. This or this, whatever may be, both are equal. Okay, note it down.